This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to talk about a story that you would have probably seen in the news already. It was originally going to be a Patreon exclusive, but I've decided to say, you know what? I'm going to premiere it on Patreon first, get the comments over there, right? Communicate with the Patreon squad first, but I'm also going to put it on the main channel. Topics like this, very sensitive to YouTube, and them normally send them guidelines or whatever. I'm going to put it out there, and whatever they want to do, them do. They might shut off comment section, I don't know, right? But I want feedback from the people. I want feedback from the women especially. Here's the question I'm going to ask. Why should Jamaican men risk their lives for women like these? What am I talking about? Now, the young lady by the name of Stephina Ralston. She's the lady you see in the news right, after her boyfriend, Anthony Israel Bailey, literally cut out her belly button. Matter of fact, the big word we see in the news is disemboweled. Disemboweled. They don't say it's serious. Almost lost her life. And as soon as she recover, not only did she go back to him, but she now tell the Jamaican people say basically they don't mind them on her business. Her exact words are, "It is my case, my decision, and let me just say this." She's right. Fair case, fair decision. She go on to state, they don't like him, everybody makes mistakes. Right? And she said, she even retract her previous statements about him because she was egged on by people. It not stop there, sir. It not stop there, sir. Switch by the real boxing at the face of the Jamaican people come here. Right? She said, there are a lot of time wasters in Jamaica, but I don't know what them I deal with. It is my life and I choose what I want in my life. Father God know what he want for me and my partner. Yeah, that's it. Again, everything she has said now is true. After her life, she do what she want to do. Do what she want to do. If she want to go back to him 100 times. Fear problem that. Fear her life. Can't disagree with that. But here's the question. This might be one of the shortest videos I ever make. Right, as I say, I really want to look at the comment section. Because I that I really want to see. That's why I don't want to talk too long. Because I want the people them, especially the women them, talk. Why should Jamaican men risk them life for women like this? What am I talking about? You heard it. Protect women. Protect women. You hear it all your life, right? And people make it sound like say Jamaican men, Jamaica is full of all these monsters and no man no business born a woman. That's not true. Enough man go out of them way, get themselves in a problem. And then in the end, the woman turn around and metaphorically rub dirt in them face. Let's say Simon and Simone get in it or get into it. Simon literally use him ratchet, right? Or use the Simon literally use him ratchet or cut out Simone belly button. You know, run in to save Simone. And at the end of it, Simone go look upon you and tell you say, I fear her life, mind her business. Let me tell you something. You might have to ask the question. Whenever two men go into combat, it is very likely one of them will end up in a Dofcan. If you're lucky, you might just end up in a public hospital or Cornwall Regional. So a Jamaican man is supposed to see a woman and her man in a tussles, in a physical altercation. And he's now supposed to risk his life, literally, risk his life for, remember him don't know the woman, no. A Jamaican man is just walking down the road, seeing a man and a woman in altercation. In order to stop the man from doing what the woman, he must go literally challenge the man. After all that, there is a strong possibility she might just go back to him. So I ask the people, tell me in the comment section, why should a man risk it? Why should a man risk literally his life or get scared in the face, foot broke, hand broke, a worried man over a woman after all, when the smoke clear, she'll go right back to him. Why? See, when you can give me the big fancy answer and tell me about the psychology behind it, why women like this go back to men like that, I don't care. Not in this video. I don't care in this video. In this video, I just want one answer. Why should a man, let's say Carlton, see Simone and Simon at it, and Carlton I go challenge Simon to the battle when Simone is very likely going to go right back to Simon. I've done many videos on stories like this, and after I cover them, people from the local community who know the people them reach out to me. I did a story about a woman, right, who was in a situation like this. And people from the community link me and tell me, say, the same woman, the same man end up do the thing to her make the news. Him back knife, and as him a go bow, fit take her life, a licensed firearm holder. Listen to this, people. A licensed firearm holder. See, him a go juke her with a knife, real war one. And him pull out him licensed firearm and get into it with the man. Him stop the man from the woman life. Police get involved. People say what go on and call police. When the police turn up on the scene, you know what the woman do? She tell the police, said the licensed firearm holder rush the man. As in, she no mention say, I save the man, save her life, Because if she tell the police that, then the police will go along upon her man. So if you save her man who just minutes before was about to take her life, she sink the licensed firearm holder and the man lose his weapon. I repeat the question. Why should Jamaican men risk them lives for women like these? Go on, give me the righteous answer. More I see in the comment section. More I see the answer. How do we know that after all that, after we back straps, pull out weapon, fist to fist, plyboard, whatever the two men them get into it with, when the smoke clearance to that station, and police them and say, who rush who? And only you the man and she did it. Who do you think she go back? You the stranger will save her? Maybe. But what if she decides she want to save her man? When she calm down the one she realize, well on, if she say him, she not see him again. But you the stranger who shouldn't business go, well, you can always go on. The man lose him weapon, a save woman who him no know and no business about him. We could talk about it now. Because your favorite activist won't talk about things like this, Because everybody's on a quest to sound as righteous as possible. When your favorite groups them protest women, why don't protest press charges? Protest press charges so the men who risk them life to save women who them don't know, women who don't care about them, can at least say after them put themselves in harm's way, something come out of it. Man is supposed to go fist to fist, plyboard to plyboard, ratchet to ratchet, 9 for 9, and at the end of it, woman are going to say, you're minding the business, this is my life. Again, tell me in the comment section. Why should Jamaican men risk them lives for women like this? Spare me what you learn from your big fancy course. That's not for today. And we know the work to this, they might try to twist this and say, see it. You might try to say, over this section of YouTube, we condemn DV on a daily basis. So nobody can twist my words, and if you want to, that's your problem. We still want the answer. Why? How do we know after we get into it with this man, the woman and go tell the police, say, Carlton actually saved my life. Man charge him and fling him. How know they got him? How know should I go say, officer, me and my boyfriend there so, and he just rush with gun, officer. That's what happened to do. When you remember say, the man lose him license for protecting a woman in the know. Because you're assuming that when the police come, she go back you, cause you literally just save her life. And you can tell me about, well, in these cases the women are not, and the Stockholm syndrome. Okay, that's fine, but again, what does that have to do with me? What does that have to do with Carlton, who is now in a life and death situation? Who is now losing his license firearm? Who is now about to be charged for rush money gun When actually defend him, I defend you. Talk to us. I'm sure many in Jamaica want with the answer. Me love it if the woman them actually answer. Right. It'd be interesting to see what the top comment, which comment I get the most likes and push to the top, because more I see the real answer. I'm very curious. Wanna know why? Why? Because when we say risk life, it literally risk life. It's a man and a woman. If a man is very angry and a swing all kind of league, and you're going to intervene, you just know say you either, right, have to go start take him on, right, and then maybe him stop, or he might just turn upon you and one of them end up losing a life. So I would love to know why, when we see cases like this, why would men risk it? So me want to know. When I was younger, me used to always ask myself, oh, the man them get involved. Why the man them now? That's the question I used to ask when I was a boy. Until I grew up and say, you know what? In most cases, the woman go right back to the man. So that's why the man them never want to get involved. Oh, I see. That not make it right. By the way, we're not saying even Simone, as simple as she be, she not deserve for getting a belly button cut out. But does Carlton deserve to lose female life protecting Simone? Talk to me in the comment section. Your favorite activist won't ask this question. Your favorite leaders won't ask this question because they might upset, they don't upset the body. Might upset the woke females. What you are trying to say? Yeah, ask it. We never beg for no way, so talk to me in the comment section. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. I know we already would have seen this on Patreon. PIA, you don't know, no life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.